Today is a day that I've long been awaiting for. I picked up this kit from Kai. Yeah, looks complete. Today is finally the day. IS300 is gonna get its kit on. Just got it back from paint this morning. Looks so good. But shout out to Devon for painting it. Just great guy, great painter. Definitely recommend sending him any stuff if you need any paint in the 757 area. Very happy on how it turned out and can't wait to throw it on. This car has been looking beat lately, so time for the new look. I also never mentioned I bought these Origin Labo DNA02s from Justin, so thank you, Justin. Full sets only, 2022.
Beneficial if you're holding one of these so you can screw it in.
Oh, okay.
So
I'll trade you.
Grab my side, and then I'm gonna make sure you.
Oh my god!
I'm so sorry.
You bitches!
I thought it would stay. I held my sides. Good. Slower now.
Yeah. Wow, look at that. That's it. Thank God I don't touch my height anymore.
Rick James using us to go. Now Shawty don't trap me, Shawty don't screw me, Shawty don't trap me, Shawty don't screw me, Shawty don't trap me, Shawty don't screw me, yeah. Have you ever seen a dead beast on the